lot of people, when they, when you grow up, you just said it, you become the victim, you blame everything on yourself, but it's really hard to take responsibility, to be accountable, and to, make things happen. What was that shift? What was that shift for you that transitioned over to that's it, no more? What was it?
Look, I've partied. I've, done the drugs. I've, been very naughty. I traveled extensively for many, many years,
Mm,
lived in Europe for many years. And so
mm,
the real shift for me, Khoa, was when I was about 32 and went, okay, I'm ready to have a child now. I always knew that I would have a boy and a girl ever since I was 15, and I had
okay.
their names already chosen. It was like,
Yeah.
I want to have a child now. And
Yeah.
as soon as it became not about me, as soon as it became about someone else, stop partying, stop drugs, stop drinking, stop cigarettes. Immediately, it was immediate. And that's a lot of the pattern that I have now, when it no longer becomes about me and about someone else. When I'm speaking on stage, people say, are you nervous? Not really, because one, I know my shit, I know my
Mm,
craft, but
mm.
then also it's not about me. It's what service I am. So so once we shift that, there's nothing here to judge.